Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is the first part of creating a first-person shooter inside Unreal Engine 4. And yeah, let's get started. First thing we are going to do is to set up our project. Open your engine, select games. Next, we are going to create a third person, not the first person. But you may ask yourself why we create a third person instead of first person. This is a this is obvious. We want our player foot appear. We want to see our player foot. We want to see our player body, not only hand. So we stick with the third person. Select third person. Next, and here I'm going to choose blueprint, maximum quality, ray tracing disabled. If you have RTX card graphic, you can turn it on. I don't have. Uh, Desktop and console. Yeah, the starter content will be okay. Let's call our project FPS photo. You can name it whatever you want. I'm okay with this name and create your project. After the project created, we need to add these two files into our project. The first one is animation starter pack. It is completely free, and the second file is FPS weapon bundle. Also, this one is free. Don't worry, I'll leave a link in the description down below. You can find it, and yeah, add them to your project. These are completely free. We can use it to build our game. So let's wait till my engine show up, and I will back in a minute. Alright, my engine show up and we have these two files right here. So let's set up our character. First, I'm going to open my character, the third person, and the event graph. There is some codes that we are actually doesn't need it, like this VR code and also this gamepad code. And yeah, this touch input. We don't need these codes right now because we are going to create our game for PC platform. And everything is okay in this section except this camera. We want a true FPS camera, not a third person. So yeah, let's dive into it. I'm going to delete this camera boom. I don't need it anymore. Let's pause the animation of my character so we can place our camera into our head easily. Select your mesh, click on the show advanced, and pause animes. Parent your hollow camera into your character mesh and target it to your character head. There we go. But if you notice, camera rotation and location change. Let's fix it. If I press E on my keyboard, I enter the rotation mode and I can easily rotate my camera. Let me place it into our character head. Drag it down a little bit. Yeah, it's here. If I turn off this snapping mode, I can move my camera smoothly. There we go. But we have to check one thing. It's very important. Let me show you what happened if I didn't check this one. See, my camera is kind of messy. We don't want this camera, so let's check the important box. Select your follow camera. Make sure to check use spawn control rotation and hit compile. If I press play now, we have our first person camera and we see our body and also our feet, but we have a problem. If you see it, the camera goes through the mannequin body. Let's fix this problem and we in this the part 1. Go to your edit, open project setting. On the project settings, search for engine general settings, near clip plane, make it 1 and save everything. It is not fixed yet because we have to restart our engine. Let me close this and reopen it again. I'm going to reopen my file again to see what we done. If I press play, now the camera isn't clipping into our character. And yeah, I think that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more Unreal Engine 4 tutorials. And I see you in the next one. Bye!